What's up guys, welcome to the third tutorial of Cisco Packet Tracer. In this tutorial we will try to implement the dynamic routing in the network that we just made in the previous lecture. What is dynamic routing? Well, you need to tell each and every router whatever the else is present on that particular network that we are creating. You need to tell every router what is on its each and every port. You need to tell the router what is present on each and every port. So we're gonna configure that with dynamic routing. There is another way which is called static routing, which is much more complicated, and it is obsolete. It is useless. So we're going to use dynamic routing, and it is very easy. You just need to tell the router what is on the left and what is on the right. If you want to imagine it like that. It is much more complicated than that, but it's an easy explanation. So again, just click on the router and come to this config tab right here, and you can see there's a block called routing, and there are two options into it. You can either route it static, okay, or you can either route it dynamic. Our IP is dynamic routing actually. Like, I think RIP stands for rest in peace, but I'm not sure honestly. Okay, so what you have to do is you need to tell the router what network is present on this very port and this very port. So we have to just hover on the router, and you can see on the fast Ethernet it's 192.168.1.0. okay, so just remember that we have to give the network IP. What is network IP? You must know that this is the first, like the first in subnetting. If you know subnetting, you must know that the first IP address of a network is basically the network IP address, and it actually defines, or it actually names the network. Okay, so fast Ethernet, the network is 192.168.1.0. okay, so just add this, and the other one is 2.0. sorry, it's 2. okay, alright, so now this router is configured. Alright, now configure the other routers in the same way. This router has the networks connected to it 5, 2 and 4. Alright, this one is 2, 4 and this one is 5, so 3 networks are connected to it. We're gonna tell this router that okay, these 3 routers, or these 3 networks are connected to you right now. So I forgot again, it's 5, 2 and 4. okay, 5.0, 2.0 and 4.0. okay, great. And the last router, go to our IP routing, 192.168.4.0. I hope it's right. Yep, 4.0 and 3.0. 3.0. okay, good. So now we are good to go. The whole network should be properly configured. uh, let's just try and send a packet. Wow, it is successful, which means that our network is properly configured and we can send packages, we can send information from one workstation to another workstation, just like that. Just check here, it's working, and this way, well, it's working successful. Okay, so now all the messages being sent are successful. Now our network is properly configured, and that's it for this lecture. This is how you implement dynamic routing in Cisco Packet Tracer, and that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.